Here's how to use the grid view in Airtable step by step. Begin by opening the Airtable base that contains your data. This is the workspace where your records and fields already live. So once the base opens, you will be looking at the main structure of the information you want to manage. If your base contains multiple tables, stay in the one that holds the records you want to work with before moving to the next part. With the base open, go to the left sidebar and click Grid View. This switches the table into a spreadsheet-style layout where each row represents a record and each column represents a field. The grid view is designed to give you a broad look at your data at once, which makes it useful when you want to review, update, or organize many records in the same place. To enter or change information, click directly into any cell. Once the cell is active, type the value you want or replace the current value with an updated one. You can move across the table and continue editing cell by cell as needed. If you need to add a brand new record, go to the bottom of the table and click the plus row. A new row will appear, and you can start filling in the fields for that record right away. This keeps new entries in the same view as your existing data, so you can add information without leaving the table. After your records are in place, use the toolbar at the top of the grid view to organize the table. You can hide fields if you want to remove certain columns from view without deleting them. You can apply a filter to display only records that match specific conditions. You can group records to arrange them into sections based on shared values. You can sort records to change the order in which they appear. You can also color your records to make categories or statuses easier to identify at a glance. These tools affect how the data is displayed and managed in the view, which helps you focus on the records that matter for the task in front of you. When you want to see more about a specific record, click the record itself to expand it. This opens the record details, where you can view or edit all of its fields in one place. If the record includes attachments or additional information that is not convenient to review from the table alone, this expanded panel gives you a fuller view. It is also useful when a table contains many fields and you do not want to scroll across multiple columns to inspect everything. As you make edits in Grid View, Airtable saves them automatically. There is no separate Save button to click, so your updates are stored as you work. Your Airtable base is now open in Grid View with records added, edited, organized, and saved automatically.